guys. Okay, sorry, I didn't actually finish this one. So remember we said, then if we're calculating the sum to infinity, it's 81 minus, and then we sort of already said this is 0. Nee? Ons het mos aan die vorige een uitgewerk, so dan is jou antwoord net 81. Okay, vraag 4. Die eerste twee terme van 'n meetkundige ry is, term 1 is x plus 3 en term 2 is x kwadraat minus 9. Bereken die waardes van x waarvoor die reeks sal konvergeer. Immediately, what does that mean? What does it mean if the series converges? Okay, so what are we doing? We are solving for r. You guys agree that x will be equal to, no, r will be equal to x minus 3. Okay, so ek gaan stel dit nou in. So vir alle waardes van x tussen 2 en 4 gaan die reeks konvergeer. For all values of x between 2 and 4, this series will converge. It's easy to do it like this. That's what I do in my head. No? Because how do you get rid of a negative 3? You add 3. So then it's just plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Goed. Bereken die waarde van x as die som tot oneindig 13 is. Yes.
The R must be between minus 1 and 1 for the arithmetical, the geometric.
The sum to infinity is only for geometric. So only if you have a constant ratio.
So we're doing this for the
Daar is nie 'n som tot oneindig by 'n rekenkundige reeksie. Net by meetkundige reeksie, né? Jy.
As ons nou die 4 en daai dan skryf, dan moet ons spelletjies net verander.
Nee. O, sorry. Ek kyk mos nou so na jou.
Ja.
Ja. Het jy dit?
Ja, want ek besef nou
Maak nie saakie. It's the same thing. Ja.
nee, maar as jy die 4 daai kant skryf en jy skryf dit nog steeds met daai kant spelletjies.
Maar daai twee goed is presies dieselfde.
Want hulle het vir ons geleer.
Die kleinste getal aan die linkerkant.
Die kleinste getal moet aan die linkerkant wees, maar daai is nie wiskundig verkeerd nie. Nee? As x kleiner is as 4 en of 4 groter is as x, dit sê mos dieselfde ding. Nee? Maar moenie dat hierdie twee goed verskillende rigtings wys nie.
Ja, ek het die 4 en daai kant gaan nog steeds daai kant wees, so dit is vir my net nie so baie so.
Okay, goed. Nou sê hulle vir ons bepaal die waarde van x as die som tot oneindig 13 is. So this is also another formula that you must go and study. Is it a over 1 minus r? Nee man, daai is reg, né?
Ja, so.
Ek moet net nie vir Roan luister nie. Okay, and that is equal to 13. Okay. Goed, so nou gaan stel ek in. My A waarde is x plus 3 en my R waarde was x minus 3, maar kyk mooi, ek gebruik my hakies daar. Use your brackets. No, they don't cancel each other out.
It's going to be minus x plus 3, which is going to be
Minus x. Okay, and I'm still solving for x, so I'm going to take it over. 26, 40, 50. Is that right? Yeah. I can't even do the basic stuff now. so. Sien nie waar jy 'n fout gemaak het.
Juffrou, ek het sommer nie.
Het jy die 13 en x gaan instel?
Nee, juffrou, ek het die vraag net gelees en ek het die som van wanneer die som tot 'n einde.
Oneindig nie. Okay.
So dis om met SN te verbring was van.
So jy het die verkeerde formule toe gebruik.
Ja. Daai staf.
Dit is tough. Okay, how was question? Oh, you asked for question 5. Question 5 says a team of workers is putting up a fence along a roadside. They set up camp at one end of the fence and put up 0.75 kilometers of new fencing per day. Each evening they return to the camp where they started. Determine a formula to find the distance that they will travel on day N. Okay, goed. So, as hulle hier 'n kamp opsit, hier is die kampie. Okay? And then on day 1, they build fence for 0.75 kilometers. How far do they travel on day 1? No, they don't travel 0.75 because you have to walk there and back. Nee? Stem julle saam? So on day 1, they walked 1.5 kilometers. Okay? Nou, dag 2 staan hulle op, dan stap hulle eers daar, dan bou hulle nog. And then, so now in total, that's 1.5 kilometers away, but they have to walk back to camp. Yes, that would make more sense, né? Take the campsite with you. Okay? Goed. Moet ek aangaan? Elke dag sit jy eintlik 1.5 by, né? Every day you add 1.5. So in other words, what type of a sequence does this form? Yes, so it's arithmetic, né? Dis 'n rekenkundige reeks wat ons gaan sê A is gelyk aan 1.5 en D is gelyk aan 1.5. It's allowed to be the same number. Okay. So then we're using this one. Your memo just says 3/2, but you guys understand that that is the same, no? Yes. It's the same. 1.5 is the same as 3/2. Zero trust. Zero trust in me. Okay. Now they ask us, would it be possible to continue this way indefinitely and why? Hoekom nie? You can't walk that far in a day. Like after a few days, like let's say after 10 days, they're going to have to walk 15 kilometers and still work in between as well. After 20 days, they're going to have to walk 30 kilometers. So do you understand? After 100 days, it's going to be 150 kilometers of walk and you still have to build a fence as well. So it's not going to happen. There's not enough daylight hours. You need to move the camp. Hulle bou van hier tot daar aan die kant. Okay.